YouTube, and I'm going with the size and the promise of this young man.
It was not a surprise for me personally because you look at the other teams, what you want is a guy who can match up against Adrian Marmar, who's been roaring over probably the past 8 or more seasons. So obviously on a single coverage, you cannot stop Gilmore, but at least you will be able to slow him down. So good pick for Terra Firma because they badly needed a big guy to add the pain for their team.